how to pin object to the screen on your mobile at Wix. And then right here, to do it on your WIX editor, you want to go to your mobile view by clicking on this switch to mobile at the upper left of your screen right here. And then after that, you can just choose any of the object or design that you want to be pinned or freeze. For example, I want to choose this menu icon. So everybody that visit my website will always see this one. And then to do it, you can just click on the object a few times until it was chose. And then after that, you want to go to your top right of your screen and then click on tools. And then you want to make sure your toolbar is on by check mark it. And there you go. And after that, make sure you still click on the object that you want to freeze. For example, this one. And then right here at the bottom right of your screen, you can see this freeze position. You want to turn it on. And then just like that, if you scroll down the menu icon, it will still be there. And then after that, don't forget to click on publish so the change is on to everyone. And for the record, you can only pin specific object on mobile, such as this menu icon or quick action bar right here at the bottom right of my screen, or back to top icon, which I don't have here, but you can turn it on later, or even the footer itself. But it's not rigid or fixed for anyone equally. It's because sometimes different templates have a different code than others, so not everything is really the same. It means that not every website can freeze the footer and so on. But to make it easy for you to check if the object is freezeable or pinable or not, when you click the object alone, for example, I want to click on the footer and you did not see the freeze position right here at the bottom right of your screen, or it's just said show on all pages like I do here, then it means that the specific object cannot be pinned on the mobile version of your site. And for example, if I choose on this quick action bar and then check on toolbar, it didn't have the freeze option, then this quick action bar cannot be freeze on my website template. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.